Machine Sync is a harvesting application included in the time-based G5 Advanced Combine license. Also available in the all-new Premium and Ultimate Combine license, it enables pairing between the combine and tractor grain cart such that both working vehicles automatically operate at the same speed and direction together. Based on anonymized data shared with consent by John Deere Combine customers from September 2023 through May of 2024, Machine Sync reduces unloading time by 8.3% compared to traditional unloading on the go. It also improves operator capabilities by enabling the operator to direct their focus elsewhere while Machine Sync provides automated unloading, reduces the potential for grain spill by syncing the machines with an unloading point you can set within the grain cart, and makes it easier to operate in tight margins between large moving equipment. Machine Sync has received significant updates over the years. Notable enhancements include strengthened connectivity between linked machines, a modernized user experience and controls, tractor speed control model updates that enhance the grain cart operator's experience, and software enabling common performance across expanded tractor models. Now with harvest automation pairing available, Machine Sync creates an elevated, productive harvesting solution, one that's ready for unloading grain quickly and seamlessly. A high connectivity Machine Sync antenna installation is required on both the combine and each grain cart tractor of the harvesting fleet. For model year 25 Combine Tech packages, this antenna kit will come from the factory partially installed and at varying componentry included depending on the selected technology package. Additional antenna kits for the tractors can be ordered through the parts department of your local John Deere dealership. Once installed and activated, turn Machine Sync on for each machine that is in the work group. Machine Sync can be accessed from the shortcut bar on the display. Ensure that all machines share the same network details. This can be done by adding all combines and grain carts to the same in-field data sharing workgroup, and have the same display software across Gen 4 or G5 displays. At the desired point in the cart to begin unloading, set a home point from the display of the combine. For most, typically this is in the center of the grain cart. Once properly configured, an operation zone will appear on the display of both the leader and follower. Only when inside this zone can Machine Sync be engaged by the follower with pressing the Auto Track Resume button. If Machine Sync is engaged, the Machine Sync shortcut key will indicate blue LED. The operator can adjust the Machine Sync operational zone box dimensions shown on the display to either be larger or shorter than the default. The operator might enlarge the zone to ease engagement for the operator or shorten it to more accurately connect with the right combine of a fleet harvesting in a stagger configuration. Accounting for the elevated unloading experience are unloading on-the-go modes, available with model year 25 combines. The combine operator can choose how automation adjusts the combine's ground speed while unloading with 3 different options. In fixed mode, the combine and grain cart will both slow down to the set speed once the machines are in line, regardless of what their prior speed was, until they finish unloading. When in offset mode, both machines will slow down by the defined speed offset. For example, if the offset is set at 2 miles per hour, every machine will slow down by that value while unloading. In variable mode, the grain cart will catch up to and match the combine's speed. Instead of setting a speed or an offset manually, Machine Sync will match the combine's speed seamlessly when engaged in ground speed automation. Achieve higher productivity with automation. The crop is ready, and with Machine Sync, you can be set up to conquer harvest more efficiently than ever before.